Alright, we're walking up 17A, gas vehicles, two-wheel brakes, four-cylinder, 1920 through 1929. Our first model looks like it has not been restored, all original. I don't know if he's got gas or not, but you know, he's in the right section. 25 Dodge. Again, check this out, 25, they still don't even have front brakes. Now what was intriguing was that Chrysler was already coming out with four-wheel juice. That generator, it's probably generator, not a starter. Starter generator, yep. Vacuum, of course. A beautiful little Chevrolet. Of course they're coming up. These were General Motors. I like the little turkey neck there. This is a Superior K. The 490.
Yep, so close.
What year is this girl? 22, so this is GM. I thought it was, and I thought it was earlier.
Oh.
That's beautiful. Four-door sedan. There's the Kissel. Look at that top. Isn't that high style? It's just beautiful. This is gas vehicles, two-wheel brakes, more than 4, less than 8.
You tell him no, tell him to F off.
Such a sporting machine, still does not have the stopping power. Very interesting, very interesting. I like the way the golf bags go.
Yeah, it's a Mafia.
Beautiful. Right through the windshield, I like it. Now, why do you need door handles just there? I guess that's, yeah, they don't have interior. That's cool. Oh, Rio. Saw this girl coming in also. Well, it's nice when you watch the videos with them coming in. It's just so special to see them running. Little Chief, that's a 29 Pontiac. We had a real rash of Pontiac here. Again, these at least have front brakes. These are juice finally. 26. 26 has the external contracting. At least they have front brakes now. Oh, that's Chrysler. Now this is the first year for Chrysler? Because they went over to juice brakes pretty quickly. 26 is the first year for Chrysler, correct? Or is it 25? 24? Missed it by that much. When did they go all juice brakes? 28? All juice, all hydraulic. 28 was hydraulic? Excuse me?
26.
These are juice brakes? Hydraulics?
Yep.
Okay.
First year.
Yeah, you guys were so ahead.
Four wheel.
Yeah. You're so ahead of the time. It was amazing for stopping power. I had a 30.
You still have to throw an anchor out, but yeah.
Well, you don't pray as much. I had a 30 Plymouth. It was like driving a modern car. This
Power steering went out this morning too.
Cruising around town.
The power steering went out? Let me see.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I'll tell you though, that guy who invented the early power steering, Mr. Armstrong, made a fortune.
Then it went into flooring, right?
Yeah, right? Yeah, well, who's that? Vic Tanny took it over. Oh, this is beautiful. I like the side lamp. And to end this segment, we've got the 29 Buick. I want to cut over because I want to get a couple Packards. Overhead valve 8. Beautiful.